Hello everyone, this is Shivani. Today I'm here to discuss some of the vocabulary words with you. So without wasting more time, let me start. I'm sharing my screen. Okay, so these are some of the vocabulary words for today. Let me start. So the first word is renounce. What does this word renounce means? Abdicate is just a synonym of this word renounce. Renounce and abdicate means to say publicly that you no longer own, support, or believe in, or have a connection with something, like something that we give up. Like Gandhi, for example, Gandhi ji renounced the use of violence. Gandhi ji ने violence का त्याग करा था. Like something when you are giving up is known as renounce. I'm renouncing my shares of Reliance. So here it what means मैंने मैंने अपने Reliance के shares give up कर दिए. So this is how we used to talk. This is how we used to enhance our English vocabulary when we use these types of words that are more professional. Seems to be more like it seems to be create a more better personality of yours. Like second example we have King Edward VIII abdicate the British throne in 1936. उन्होंने British throne 1936 में छोड़ दिया था, give up कर दिया था. Now the second word is abhor or detest. Detest is just a synonym of the word abhor. What does this mean? Abhor means to hate a way of behaving or thinking, often because you think it is not moral. For example, I abhor all forms of racism. मैं हर forms of racism को बिलीव नहीं करता या मैं उस चीज को मॉरल नहीं मानता. तो whenever you want to say something that is not for you, that is you don't believe in something, so you can use the word abhor at that point of time. Like I detest you. घृणा. डिटेस्ट घृणा भी हम बोल सकते हैं. घृणा लिखा हुआ है हिंदी में, अगर आप लोगों को नहीं समझ आता तो. सो दिस इज घृणा. अगर किसी चीज से आपको नफरत सी लगती है या घृणा सी फील होती है, दैट ऑन दैट सेंस यू कैन यूज द वर्ड एबहॉर और डिटेस्ट. लाइक आई डिटेस्ट यू, मुझे तुमसे घृणा आती है. So these types of words you can use. Now the third word is compulse. That means seh. That means, just a second guys, seh aparadhi. When you are doing a crime and there is someone who is helping you, or there is someone who is supporting you, is known as accomplice. That, for example, a person who helps in another commit in a crime. For example, he was convicted as an accomplice to murderer. Like कोई एक मर्डर था जिसने जिसने उसका दोस्त के साथ दिया था. इट इज नोन एज accomplice सह अपराधी. Now the second word is accentuate. Accentuate. What does it mean? To emphasize a particular feature of something or to make something more noticeable. मतलब हमने अपने आप में कुछ ऐसा करा ताकि सपोज आपने कोई पूरा रूम सजाया और उसमें आपने कोई एक चीज ऐसे रखी जो किसी के नोटिस में आए, जान पूछ कर आए, उसे हम कहते हैं accentuate. For example, her dress was tightly belted, accentuated the slimness of her waist. उन्होंने एक लड़की ने एक बेल्ट को बहुत टाइटली ड्रेस करा था जिसकी वजह से उनकी वेस्ट की स्लिमनेस बाहर उभर के आ रही थी. कोई चीज जब बाहर उभर के आती है, दैट इज नोन एज द वर्ड एक्वेंचेट. नाउ द second last word is ad infinitum. What does it mean? Forever, without ending. जब हम बोलते हैं ना कि सपोज मैं अगर बोल रही हूँ कि मैं किसी की बुराई कर सकती हूँ बिना रुके, सो दैट वर्ड आप उस टाइम पे इस वर्ड को यूज कर सकते हो. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, why was he such a lousy boss? Oh, because she was unreasonable, disrespectful, rude, inconsiderate. I could go on ad infinitum. हम मैं इसके आगे भी जा सकती हूँ. मैं नेवर एंडिंग बात कर सकती हूँ, उनकी बुराई कर सकती हूँ. whenever you used to say like मैं बिना एंड करे अपनी बात को कंटिन्यू कर सकती हूँ. वेदर आप किसी की अच्छाई कर रहे हो, वेदर आप किसी की बुराई कर रहे हो, यूज द वर्ड ad infinitum. Now the next word is lousy. Lousy means very bad. Like for example, you went to a restaurant and you found the food very bad. You found the star very well. So you can use these words. These words will help you enhance your personality. So let me say, let me like give you an example. I had a lousy weekend. What does it mean? I had a bad weekend. Irrespective of using very bad or bad, you can use the word lousy. That means very bad itself, but it shows how professional you are, or it shows how uh, it shows your personality. I feel lousy, I'm going home. मैं bad feel कर रही हूँ, I feel like मैं sick feel कर रही हूँ, so I'm going home. You can use these types of words. Now the next word is, now the last word is inception. इंसेप्शन, बिगनिंग. व्हाट, अगर आप किसी की भी चीज की बिगनिंग कर रहे हो, आई एम इंसेप्शन ऑफ डूइंग दिस, आई एम इंसेप्टेड. So you can use this word. Inception means beginning. These are few of the words that help you in your daily life to enhance your personality. These are not very much typical words. These are just the normal words that you can use in your daily life to improve your English vocabulary and to enhance your personality. That's it for today. I will be coming back tomorrow for more new words, for more new vocabularies. Take care, stay home, stay safe.